Hey everyone, I'm Phoenix, and I am a sophomore at the School of Innovation. As you get closer to high school, you'll hear more and more about the School of Innovation, or SOI as we call it. But what exactly is it, and what does it have to do with all of you? When you enter 9th grade, you have a choice. You can either go to Springfield High or the School of Innovation. You are still a Springfield City Schools student and a member of the Wildcat family. But SOI is just another option to your typical high school experience. The best part is, there's something here for everyone, but don't take it from just me. Take a look at what my classmates here at SOI had to say about why they love being here.
Hi, I'm Kai Steiger. I'm in 10th grade and I go to SOI. I wanted to try welding because it just seemed fun. I don't need to worry about college funds. You can just get right into the workforce or join the Iron Workers Union. At SOI, you have all these amazing opportunities like welding, carpentry, CPR,
6, 27, 28.
drones. We actually have pretty normal classes throughout the day. We have lunch, but then the bus takes us over to the dome where the welding is. We spend at least an hour, hour and a half over here welding. Len, he's the person who teaches us. He's a really amazing teacher. I do realize that the teachers care about us. They definitely want to put us on the right path to success.
My name is Devea Hensley. I'm in 10th grade and I go to SOI. I chose patient care and phlebotomy because I want to be a nurse. I want to help people. I'd like to be in that environment. We did bed making and then we did blood pressure. We started on vitals. A few weeks ago we went to the hospital. You'll visit different areas in the hospital. One area you'll visit is the labs. I wanted to come here because it was smaller. It was more hands-on.
Hi, I'm Angel Lee Jones and I'm a junior here at SOI. We differ from different high schools because we are a more open environment for students who are willing to learn different things. It's not just a book and a reader learning. A student takes the initiative to figure out the one problem that they have seen and they create a project based off of that. Here in our environmental science class, we started a project based on biomes. We had to use all materials that we found locally or just that we have on hand. There were no plastics involved, and it's just exciting to use our creativity to create things that we would want to be proud of. Before I became to SOI, I was never too fond of college. I didn't really have the idea of it. But here, since it's more of a one-on-one environment, the teachers got to understand me and know me as a person, and it actually made me want to pursue going to college. Here at SOI, it's not just based off the type of learner or student that you are. It's open for everyone. Everyone is able, everyone is capable of learning and growing from SOI. In bigger schools, it's easier to get lost and just pass through. But here, you're seen. It feels like more of a second family.
I am Taylor. I'm a freshman and I go to SOI.
My name is Tyler and I'm a freshman and I go to SOI. I do indoor track.
The sports that we're in right now is basketball and she does indoor track, but we participate in volleyball, track, and basketball. What's great about this school is that if you play like multi-sports like I do, you can like get out earlier to engage with the sports and do the sports that you love.
If you go to SOI, you leave around like 1:27 or like around 1:30ish to catch a bus.
And then you'll like be at the school to make it in time for your sports and before it happens. So you'll have enough time to change and get prepared for the sports before practice or a game even starts.
My name's Hannah Mills and I am in 9th grade at SOI. I really like the clubs here, especially Writers Club, because the students just kind of get to like pave the way of things going. It's not like you don't have to go in there and just do stuff that whoever's leading the group is what they want you to do. You just kind of get to write and be free, and it's a great space in there because there's always like nice music and nice people and everyone there wants to be there. And I really like the Lighthouse group because the students then again get to do everything that like it's kind of like on us, and we just get to have all these cool ideas and be leaders of the building.
Here at SOI, we have a food pantry called the Heroes of Hunger, where it's open to the community and everyone here. We are sponsored by the Second Harvest Food Bank. Here it's student ran basically. It's not just the adults doing it, it's us getting the sorts of our independence of being able to give to our community. We have things ranging from food, from sanitary napkins to diapers, to toothpaste, to hand sanitizer. People are able to walk in here, pick out what they need and what they want. It makes you realize that the things that you do make impacts. The way that you treat people matter. It gives you the satisfaction of seeing the smiles on the family's faces. Everyone is welcome because everyone is deserving.
So what do you guys think? Ready to see everything that SOI has to offer? I encourage you to reach out to your teachers, principals, or even the staff here at SOI if you have any questions. I can't wait to see you when you visit the campus later this year. Go Wildcats!